Hello, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. I'm unboxing the Aukey wireless charging hub, and you can find me on Twitter, 24K, and you can find me on Instagram, 24K as well. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. This wired and wireless hub from Aukey comes with some really cool features. It has two USB 3.0 ports. It has one full HDMI port, and it comes with a USB Type-C integrated cable. It also has, there's the two USB Type-A, USB full HDMI. It has the USB Type-C connector right there. And then on top is a 10-watt wireless QI charging pad. And you can send 100 watts of USB Type-C power delivery power through this cable to your computer. So you can use this with MacBook Pro, 15 and 16-inch Retina, and you can use this with really any PC. And this is also a hub, so you can plug in different data devices here or the wall charger to this, and then this will distribute up to 100 watts of power delivery power. You can have data devices plugged into here, and just basically you can bring this along, access data from it. You can charge your phones or other devices wirelessly with it, and then Aukey also sells a wirelessly charging set of true wireless headphones. So we'll show that in a future video. The review for this device will be out very shortly, and that link will be in the description. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram.